Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this part of the video, I'm going to tell you about a new topic that is there is a sex-specific survival between iron intake and female kidney transplants. A recent 2026 study has clarified this question very well and shows a clear sex-specific survival difference between iodine intake and kidney transplant outcomes, with a particularly important effect in female recipients. The key study was done in 2026 prospective cohort of 624 kidney transplant recipients. Follow-up period is 5.6 years. Assessed iodine intake through 24-hour urinary iodine excretion. Sex-specific survival effect. In female kidney transplant recipients, there is a chance of low iodine intake less than 135 micrograms per day, which leads to higher mortality risk 3.16 into higher mortality risk. There is a chance of lower iodine excretion, increased mortality risk HR 1.89. Strong independent association even after adjustment for confounders. Conclusion of the trial: iodine deficiency is a major independent predictor of poor survival in women after kidney transplant. In male kidney transplant recipients, there is no significant association between iodine intake and mortality. Even with low iodine, no clear survival impact. Conclusion: the effect is sex specific, not universal. Why this difference occurs? What are the mechanisms involved? Thyroid metabolic axis is more sensitive in females. Iodine is essential for thyroid hormones T3, T4. Females are more prone to thyroid dysfunction. There's a greater impact of thyroid hypothyroidism on cardiovascular risk. Lipid metabolism gets deranged. Endothelial function gets impaired. So, after transplant in women, this amplifies the mortality risk. Second one, immune system differences. Females have stronger humoral and cellular immunity. There is a chance of higher risk of immune-mediated graft injury. Iodine deficiency in women may worsen the oxidative stress, impair immune regulation, leading to higher graft and systemic complications. Third one, nutritional vulnerability. Study shows women had more iodine deficiency, 24% versus 14% in men. And what are the possible reasons of this iodine deficiency? In women, they have lower dietary intake. There is a low salt or animal protein consumption in women. Cultural dietary patterns. Sometimes women have more fasting periods when compared to men. So, this is the nutritional vulnerability. Next, cardiovascular risk amplification. Iodine deficiency leads to hypothyroidism, which in turn leads to increased LDL low density lipoprotein, increased atherosclerosis, increased heart failure risk. Cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death post transplant. Interaction with the transplant physiology. Kidney transplant recipients already have altered iodine handling, reduced renal clearance variability, immunosuppressive drug effects on metabolism. Females may be more susceptible to these metabolic disturbances. Important broader context. In important broader context, sex differences in transplant outcomes. Overall survival difference between sexes is inconsistent across studies. But females may have higher rejection risk because of the stronger immunity. Donor recipient mismatch effects are more common in females. Outcomes depend on age, donor sex, immunological sensitization. Iodine intake emerges as a new modifiable sex specific factor. Clinical interpretation. For female kidney transplant patients, iodine deficiency is common, dangerous, but modifiable. This makes it a high value intervention target. What are the practical implications? We have to screen women, consider urinary iodine excretion and thyroid function tests T3, T4, TSH. Diet optimization. Ensure that women have adequate intake post kidney transplant. Adequate intake of iodized salt, dairy, eggs, fish is recommended. Supplementation. If we find that women are deficient of iodine, we have to see whether women are getting supplemented. If they are taking low salt diets, whether they are taking iodine iodized salt or not, we have to see. And if the woman is malnourished, we have to see that they have adequate nutritional replacement. Integrated care. Combine thyroid monitoring, cardiovascular risk control, and nutrition counseling. What is the take home message of this trial? Iodine intake is a sex specific determinant of survival after kidney transplant. Women are uniquely vulnerable. Low iodine causes 3% higher mortality in female recipients. No similar effect seen in males. Thank you. Please subscribe.